What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Beauty by Ada here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my summer makeup looks. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be using my Jordana brow pencil, my ColourPop concealer and my Milani powder. Starting off with this makeup look, I'll be starting with my brows using my Jordana brow pencil. And after that, I'll be going in with this ColourPop concealer to highlight my brows. I'm doing this using my Morphe eyeshadow, my Morphe angle brush. I actually don't know, can't remember the number. I've had this for a long time, so I don't even know the number. Sorry guys. After that, I'm applying my ColourPop concealer all over my eyelid and I'm blending in with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. And then after that, I'll be going in with this Rimmel Stay Matte Face Primer to prime my face. And after priming my face, I'm using my NYX eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes. And then I'll be going in with this Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette. I'm going in with this color as my transition color. I'll be doing the same thing to my other eye. And then I'll be going back in the palette to take this other color. Sorry guys, you guys can see that properly. The lighting was a bit too much there. Sorry guys. So after that, I will still be going back in the same palette to take this other color for my eyelid. And I'm going back in with the first color to blend out everything. I'll be using that to blend out, and I'm applying my eye pencil. This is for my waterline, and then I'm using this L'Oreal cream liner to line my eyes. And then I'll be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And I'm blending that all in using my Real Technique Beauty Blender. I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer to highlight my face. and then I'll be blending using my Real Technique beauty blender. After blending, I'll be going in with this Airspun loose powder to set my highlight. And after that, I'm brushing off my highlights, and I'll also be using my Milani powder to set up everything. I'm applying my mascara. This is the Maybelline mascara, by the way. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. contour kit. I'll be contouring my nose. When it comes to this contour and highlight, I don't always like doing too much. And then my e.l.f. blush palette. This is my favorite. Like recently, this has been my favorite. So I'm going in with the blush. And after that, I'll be using this sleek lip stain with my NYX lip liner in the shade Cocoa. And after that, I'm going in with this Milani Fantastic bronzer. And then my Smashbox Photo Finish primer. And then the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button to know whenever I post new videos, because I'll be posting new videos. I post videos on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So please, guys, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button. Like my videos, guys. Share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.